This EBD, yeah, it's got some lazy silver retrofit by the side. It caught me off guard when I saw it along the motorway when I was on the SL4 earlier. Do you see that shit? Already these men are acting foolish with these look. It's packed though. Alright, someone, green man, come on man. There we go. Alright, people are dashing for it. Alright, who else is gonna run? But look at that silver plate down there. Crazy. They've still kind of meshed out the venting. They've still kind of like cut it out. Okay. They can't be treating the things like that already, man. Come on. This is the thing I hate, yeah. When these garages are fixing the buses up, they don't care, they'll fit whatever part there. You know, they don't care about if the thing looks neat or not. I mean, to be fair, yeah, they got the pressure on them to keep the things in service, so can they really be wasting it and give a fuck about whether a part looks great or not? So, it's not really that deep anyway. It's not like the whole bus is covered with metal. It's quite low to the ground. It's funny, sometimes you see these EBDs with their suspension high up, sometimes you see it low to the ground.